Hi everyone and welcome back to PrepFusion. So there are few important updates related to Titans badge that I wanted to uh, tell to all of you guys, like announce. So that's why I have made this video. And first of all, I want to make this clear that this will be applicable only for new students who are purchasing the badge uh, newly, right? Who are purchasing the badge after Sunday, right? For the old students or who are purchasing the badge before Sunday, this Sunday, right? This coming Sunday, for those students, this will not be applicable. Like you can like the features are exactly same and nothing will change basically. The price also will be same. So this Sunday is 28th of June, right? 28th of June. So till 28th of June 2026, whatever features are there, that will be there. And few things will change. I will explain the rationale behind it. Why are we changing the features? Okay. Uh, Trust me, PrepFusion is the most transparent platform. We never hide, we never like take your money and then run away. We are the most transparent platform. If you even if you're paying 1 rupee, we take care that you are getting 4 rupee worth of content or whatever, right? So we make sure that, and you can go to our community post there. You can see all this. So I will explain the rationale. Why are we changing that? So currently, if you know, if you buy the Titans badge, you are added in our WhatsApp doubt solving group where we clear all these doubts. If you see here, we're clearing the doubts. I'll come to this. And currently, in our initial Titans badge, almost we're full. 1K members are there, and we had to create a second group just like a one in 1 week, and almost 65 members are already there. Right? It's a great thing. People are already joining, so there is no problem with that. But what used to happen is, if one person is buying, they can also tell us that, okay, sir, my friend is also buying with me, so we are sharing the course. So can you also add him in the group so that he can get access to the doubt solving as well as to our 1:1 weekly bi-weekly guidance sessions, right? So that used to happen. So due to that, our groups are getting filled up quite a lot, quite fast, right? And we did not charge any extra money for that, because we always try to become student friendly. That if you are sharing the course, that means you have some cost problem. So we always try to become student friendly first. That's why we never if you notice that we never uh, tell you guys or like never tell you guys to not share the course. We tell you, okay, you can share the course. If it is between two people, then there is no problem. If you share between multiple people, then it becomes a problem. But if you're sharing with two people, then it is not a problem. We openly tell you that you can share the course, no problems, right? So we add you to the group as well. But our groups are getting filled up very fast. And if you see our Google Meet session, right, where we actually discuss about strategy. So in our WhatsApp doubt solving group, mostly we clear the doubts, whatever doubts they have. Let's say here Shahid had some doubt in this question, right? He asked me, sir, how transformer action can take place in DC voltage. So we cleared the doubt. And it's not like some gate ranker is clearing the doubt. The teachers, the educators who are actually teaching the subject, they are clearing the doubt. Nowhere else this will happen, trust me, nowhere. And it's not like I'm just talking for 1 minute. No, we're clearing the doubts for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes I will constantly explain, okay, what is happening, what is not happening, why are you thinking wrong. So if you see here as well, this was me, right? This was Himanshu sir. So Himanshu sir is clearing all these doubts, and someone has drawn a picture. We also clear the doubts through text. Whatever is the requirement, we try to clear it. The ultimate goal is to clear all the doubts that you have in the WhatsApp group, right? And the second feature was basically this 1:1 mentorship. Every 2 weeks, you will join our meeting, and each of you guys who are a Titans batch student will be able to unmute themselves and talk with us directly 1:1. And whatever strategy related doubts they have, they can clear it. And if they're going in a wrong direction, they can discuss with us. We will tell them, no, this is wrong, do this. Also, we provide them some task that in the next 2 weeks, this task you can do, this is the amount of task you can do after this subject, this you can do, right? Every student, every person has different pace, different frequency. So accordingly, we give them some task. So it's a very manual task. And again, here, I and Himanshu sir together again answer all these doubts. So we were noticing that our Google Meets, right, go on for a very long duration. If you see, this is going for 4+ hours of duration. If you want to understand how a Google Meet session goes on, you can watch this video here. Like, the complete recording is not uploaded, obviously, due to privacy reasons. Other students are there, we respect their privacy. So a glimpse of the meeting has been uploaded here. You can go and watch how the meeting goes. You can understand what we discuss, right? So it was going for 4+ hours. So it was becoming very hectic. I hope you understand, right? We are giving our dedicated time for 4+ hours. Each and every student is unmuting themselves and asking us doubts, and we're clearing them, right? So they're getting some personal attention here. So obviously, previously the feature was that if one person buys the Titans badge, if they tell us that both of them can be added into this WhatsApp group, doubt solving group, as well as they get access to this meeting links. But obviously it was becoming hectic for us. So we have decided to put a charge on it, right? What do I mean by that? I will explain. So if you see here, I will explain. Let us go into the our Titans, our website. In that, if you see this Titans 2027 batch, I will press buy now here, and if you'll see, there are two options. So again, I want to make this clear that till Sunday you have all the window. If you select single user package, and if you tell us that, sir, I am buying this with my friend, so he or she will be added. Okay, because this window is there till Sunday, because obviously we are making the announcement. We are always transparent, so we want to give students some window, so that even if you buy the single user pack, you can your friend can also join. You can tell your friend to join if you're sharing the course, no issues, right? Till Sunday. So I'm giving you almost 3 days, right? 3 days of window, more than that actually. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days of window, right? 4 days of window I'm giving you. So there will be no additional cost, right? So if you just select single user right now, it will cost you around 9.5k. If you currently the discount code is running, that is PREP, the cost would come around 9.5k, right? It is same. It is not changed. It has not changed. It is same. But now, what is this dual user? If you select the dual user, right, we are charging 2.5k extra. But after Sunday, if you want to buy with your friend, you have to select dual user. You cannot select single user, because I told you the reasons. It is becoming hectic for us, and it's not like we are hiring some rankers and they are clearing the doubts. No, we ourselves are clearing the doubts. Nowhere else it happens, right? Where the educators themselves clear each and every single doubt. Nowhere else. You go into any other platform, this will not happen. Trust me. So obviously, due to that reason, we had to put a charge on it, because people are just sharing the links and they're joining for fun, or it is becoming very hectic for us. So that's why we are putting a charge. After Sunday, if you want to share the course with your friend, then you have to select the dual user. And if you select the dual user, the cost would come around 12k. So if I calculate the effective cost, so 12k, 2 users, so per user the cost would be 6k. Now tell me, any other platform is providing you these many features? Go to the Titans batch. What are the features in Titans batch? You can watch the course orientation videos. There we have explained each and every single detail. What are the features of Titans batch? What are the features of Pathfinders batch? Go watch this video, you will understand. Trust me, in 6k rupees, no one will provide you the features, these many features, right? So this is one additional thing that we are adding right now, and I have told you the reasoning behind it. And I know few people will be angry by this, but obviously we cannot satisfy everyone. We have to look into this problem as well, right? I don't want our quality to go down, right? If we cater more and more students, then what will happen? At the next day I will hire someone and they will do the stuff, right? That is not what we want. When we build PrepFusion, we want to keep the quality to the top most level. So due to that reason, we had made this decision to charge bit extra, 2.5k only, for 2 users, and effectively your cost comes around 6k. I don't feel this is anything extra. So if you purchase the dual user, what are you getting and what are you not getting? Let me make that clear. So what you'll get, both of you guys will be added to the WhatsApp doubt solving group. Both of you guys will get the link for the bi-weekly 1:1 mentorship sessions. Both of you guys can join and tell us your queries and concerns. Now, how the dual access works. So if you want to share the course, right? So that's why if you see here what I have written, it is one PC plus one mobile. So you have to discuss and coordinate with your friend that one person will be using it with PC, other have to use it mobile. Both cannot use in PC or both cannot use in mobile, right? That is that is a limitation on our platform. So one has to use PC can be website as well, other person has to use mobile. Okay, this is a, you have to coordinate with your friend for the course access, right? For course access, for watching the videos. Okay, so that is what I have explained over here. One has to be PC, one has to be mobile, both cannot be PC, both cannot be mobile. Test series policy, so obviously you will get access to the test series, it's the same account, but each test series has 2 attempts. So you have to coordinate with your friend that make sure your friend does not attempt a single test series twice. I will not be able to help in that scenario, right? Each test series already has 2 attempts, so both of you guys can coordinate and share your test series, right? That is how you can share. So you're getting these much features for 2.5k. So this is the some discussion you have to do with your friend when you're purchasing the course within the sharing fashion, right? One more thing, please do not log in log out in multiple, like 5+ devices or 7+ devices within a 24-hour period. You might get soft banned for 24 hours, because that is a security feature that is there in the platform. Because if you're sharing the course, like if you're logging in with multiple devices, there can be some piracy kind of concerns. So that for that reason there is this security feature. So don't log in log out on multiple devices in 24-hour window. Make sure whichever device you will actually watch the course, just log in with that and stay put. Okay, so these are the features. And of course, if you buy the dual user, uh, our team from Akshat will obviously message you and add you. If he does not message you, then you can message him, you can WhatsApp him. Please don't call. Okay, we don't receive any calls. Just message him that, just share the invoice and tell him, okay, I bought the dual user, this is my number, please add it with the invoice, and this is my friend's number, please add him as well. So if you have bought the dual user, then they will add it. Again, I want to reiterate, if you still buy the single user pack till Sunday, your friend can still join. But if you buy the single user pack after Sunday, your friend will not be able to join. We'll only let those guys join if you are buying the dual user pack. Then your friend will be able to join. Otherwise, only one person will be able to join. Okay. Uh, so another thing that we have also implemented, that is a addition feature in the Pathfinders batch. So right now, if you buy the Pathfinders batch, you will see that there is option, like obviously previously Pathfinders batch did not come with any test series, but right now we thought of bundling test series as well. You will get the test series at a discounted price of 1k. Okay, you will not get this test series at um, like any lower than this anywhere in our platform. So if you're buying Pathfinders batch, then we are giving you the test series at a discounted price of 1k. So if you feel like, okay sir, I want to buy the test series as well, so you can buy it directly with the Pathfinders batch. Or if you don't want to buy it, don't buy it. So you can select the no test series option. There is no issues, right? So automatically whatever was the previous price, you will get that. And if you select the test series option, you will get the test series at 1k price, also with the Pathfinders batch. That should come around 6.8k. Okay, so yeah, so these were few updates. And obviously, if you want to know more about our batches, you can watch these 2 videos, and you can go to our community post if you have any single doubt that, sir, how do I trust the content? Just go to our community post. Even if you don't want to go to the community post, watch any playlist of ours, watch few videos, you yourself judge how is the content, then only purchase any of our course. We try to be the most transparent organization. We don't want to hide anything. We want to make sure that whatever you're buying, you have made a proper judgment, and then only you're buying that particular thing. So these were the updates. I hope I have not made anyone mad or something, because I think this is reasonable whatever we're charging. But if you have any other queries, questions, please let us know in the comments below. I will be answering those. Thank you and happy learning.